Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bank statements into QuickBooks from Chase. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Chase online banking account. Navigate to the Accounts section to view your bank statements. Select the account for which you want to download the statement. Locate the Statements or Transaction History option. Choose the specific statement you need, typically available in PDF format. Look for the option to download the statement as a CSV or Excel file. Select the appropriate file format and download the document to your computer. Now, open your QuickBooks application. Go to the File menu at the top left corner. Select Import and then choose Excel. A new window will appear. Select Browse to locate the CSV or Excel file you downloaded from Chase. Once you find the file, click Open to upload it. Confirm the mapping of columns during import, ensuring your date, amount, and description fields align correctly. Click Next to proceed with the import process. Review the summary of transactions that QuickBooks will import. If everything looks correct, click Import to finalize the transfer. After the process finishes, review the imported transactions in QuickBooks. If necessary, categorize the transactions to ensure accurate bookkeeping. And that's how you transfer bank statements into QuickBooks from Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.